Welcome back to the channel today. Today I will be revealing a brand new Lego set. Lego Technic Aston Martin Aramco AMR 25 42240. This set will be releasing on July 1st, and this set has 1,547 pieces and will retail for $229.99. This set features a new F1 car for the Technic line that has a 2-speed gearbox leading to a V6 and simulated electric engine, and also has a working differential and functional steering. This set has a lot of stickers and will be green, as most Aston Martins as far as I know. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Bye guys.